Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Aqua Vu Accessories is probably one of the most versatile and essential gear for underwater exploration enthusiasts, allowing you to enhance your underwater viewing experience with a range of helpful tools designed to improve image clarity, expand viewing range, and provide additional functionality for various underwater activities, from ice fishing to open water exploration, ensuring you have the best possible view of the underwater world, no matter the conditions or environment. Number 5. Aqua-Vu MO-POD3. Introducing the Aqua-Vu MO-POD3, the ultimate underwater camera positioner for ice fishing. It keeps your camera steady at any depth, giving you crystal clear views. This motorized ice pod holds your underwater camera rock steady, no matter how deep you go. Get the perfect shot every time. Control it all wirelessly. Use the remote to rotate it and follow the action, or precisely position it to find your lure. Watch the action unfold with smooth, precise camera movements. Never miss a bite or a strike again. Easily position it to get a clear view of your lure. See how fish react and adjust your technique for a better catch. It runs on 2 AA batteries, providing hours of reliable operation. Get ready for a day of underwater exploration. What we like. It allows you to control your underwater camera wirelessly and precisely. If you need to adjust your camera's position remotely while ice fishing, this is the perfect tool for you. This motorized positioning system is a must-have for serious ice anglers who want to have complete control over their underwater camera's viewing angle. What people say. Lightweight, and works great. Works awesome. Keeps the camera cord from spinning, which is half the battle. Love it, works great. I've gone out fishing many times with it before having to switch the batteries out. Makes using the camera a breeze. Holds it where you need and rotates 360 degrees. Number 4. Aqua-Vu Ice Pod. Ice fishing just got easier. This handy device lets you effortlessly adjust your underwater camera's angle, giving you the perfect view every time. Simply insert the camera cable into the stopper and place it in the ice pod. Now you can rotate it to find the ideal viewing position. It's designed to hold your camera securely, providing a stable viewing experience even on uneven ice. It's a game changer for ice fishing enthusiasts. Get the best underwater view with ease and precision. This is the perfect accessory for your Aqua-Vu underwater camera. Enjoy clearer views and more successful fishing trips. It's incredibly simple to set up and use. Just attach your camera and start exploring the underwater world. What we like. This is a simple, yet effective tool for rotating your underwater camera. If you're on a budget and looking for a reliable way to adjust your camera's angle, this is a great option. Its ease of use makes it perfect for anglers of all skill levels. What people say. I have a Markham vs 385C underwater camera. The black rubber stopper fits perfectly around the cord. Made my life much easier when panning my camera. I have to pan manually, but it is still a great device to have. I have an auger with a 10-inch blade. Covers that and can go bigger if needed. I highly recommend. This tripod works like a hot damn. It was such a pain to get the camera angle just so without it. What a difference. This thing gives you complete control over your camera line, so you can easily swivel your camera with the round rubber piece that sights on top of the tripod. It's cheap plastic, so be careful, but it works great. The stand itself is cheap plastic and seems overpriced, but does a good job of holding the camera wire and allowing me to spin the camera as needed. So as there are not many options for this item, it is worth the money and help see the fish. Number 3. Aqua-Vu XD Live Strike Kit. Experience fishing like never before with the Aqua-Vu XD Live Strike Kit. Watch your lure and the fish reacting to it in real time on your monitor. See exactly what's happening beneath the surface. It lets you observe your lure, and any fish that are following or biting. Simply attach your fishing line to the live strike clip and tow your lure directly behind the camera lens. It's that easy. For best results, keep your lure within 5 feet of the camera. This ensures clear visibility of the action. It works great with a variety of lures, including crankbaits, spinners, live bait, swim baits, and soft plastics. It is compatible with several Aqua-Vu XT cameras, including the HD7i, HD7i Pro, HD10i, HD10i Pro, HD700i, AV760CZ, and AV760CI. Check for compatibility before purchasing. What we like. Watch your lure and fish interacting in real time. If you are a serious angler who wants to see exactly what's happening underwater while trolling, this system is a game changer. It allows you to observe your lure's action and fish's behavior, enhancing your fishing experience. What people say. Works great, great product. It was easy enough to set up the trolling fin with an X-Wrap swimming plug and deploy it into the water trolling at idle speed. The video of the swimmer looked good swimming on the screen behind the camera. Number 2. Aqua-Vu XT Pole Adapter. Introducing the Aqua-Vu XT Pole Adapter, the perfect tool for exploring underwater areas. It lets you easily view under docks, boat lifts, and other fish-holding structures. With this adapter, you can effortlessly scout for fish and inspect hard-to-reach places. It's a game changer for any angler. It's not just for fishing. Use it to inspect your boat's hull and lower unit for damage, ensuring your vessel is in top condition. This adapter is compatible with the Aqua-Vu XT mounting system, making setup quick and easy. It's designed for a secure and stable viewing experience. Remember, you'll need an extension pole with standard threads, sold separately, to use it. Check out our range of compatible poles for the best results. The Aqua-Vu XT pole adapter opens up a whole new world of underwater exploration. Get yours today and start discovering what lies beneath. What we like. This adapter allows you to use your underwater camera in various situations. If you need to inspect hard-to-reach areas or scout for fish under docks and boat lifts, this is the perfect accessory. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. What people say. This underwater camera is really neat. While you're anchored on your boat, you can drop one overboard and watch all the fish swim by. You can check your anchor, you can check your sinks under your boat, all kinds of stuff that normally a diver has to do. It functions well. Number 1. Aqua-Vu XT Trolling Weight. Get ready to explore the depths. This 14-ounce weight enhances your Aqua-Vu XT underwater camera system, enabling faster and deeper trolling. It's designed for serious anglers who want to reach those hard-to-access spots. This weight helps you get your camera exactly where you need it. Achieve faster trolling speeds without sacrificing depth or control. It's perfectly balanced for optimal performance. It's fully compatible with the Aqua-Vu XT mounting system. Installation is quick and easy, ensuring a secure and stable setup. Unlock a new level of underwater exploration with this essential accessory. It's built to withstand the rigors of serious fishing. Don't let the fish get away. This weight helps you get your camera where you need it, when you need it. What we like. This trolling weight allows you to troll faster and deeper. If you want to cover more water quickly and effectively, this is the ideal accessory. It is essential for anglers who want to explore deeper waters and reach fish that are otherwise inaccessible. What people say. To hold camera while using trolling motor. Works as described. Exactly as illustrated and as described. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.